Hey guys, we received this black magnetic name tags for test and try. 25 pack, 1 by 3 inches in name tags for clothes, stainless steel, and it's DIY name badges with a strong magnetic backing. So you can do it like a school supply or anything. You can see like comes in this nice pack, and also like there are the sticky or magnetic thing in here with the one sticky form here, and then the stainless steel nameplate. So it's a silver color and comes in the different colors that you can see, and nice professional looking with a strong magnetic force as well. Nice protective covering here. So they are the nice professional looking one, as you can see, very nicely built from the top where you can write your name or laser grave it. So this is the magnetic thing that comes, but very nice stainless steel thing. So now I will just show like the durable thing. So here is the sticky form that you can just take and put on the back of this. So once you put on the back, then there is the magnetic thing on the other side, like the clip. So say on the any cloth or your shirt you put it, and then it will just stick like that. So now this is not moving anything, like it is not falling. It's very strong magnetic tech thing, not harm your shirt or anything, and you can still have the name tag. So it's very nice with the steel thing. You can write or you can laser engrave on it and then use it. Nice badges.